Let's learn together. Pay attention, and also
Baik.
don't forget to subscribe,
Good morning,
like,
my
comment and
student.
also press the bell to get
Good
upgrade
morning.
information.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, let's
Good
start.
morning, sir.
How are you this morning?
We are fine, sir.
Very
Fine,
well, sir.
And you, sir?
Yeah, very well too. Thanks for your attention to me. Well, student, before we going to our activity today, I want one among of you to bring us to the Lord by praying. Maybe Ma'am Watilina, could you bring us to pray? Yes.
Okay, thank you, sir. Okay, friends, before start our activity today, we'll pray to our God. Pray. Amen.
Right. Thank you very much, Watilina. Well,
Thank you, sir.
well, I will show you our learning today or our material. Okay. Okay. Well, student, I want to give you the information about our activity today. Yeah. What is the learning object today? Yeah. It means what must have to take from this learning activities? Apa yang harus kamu ambil dari pembelajaran ini? Ya, for the first one, you have to able to arrange the description text, dan juga harus mampu merumuskan dan juga conduct atau membangun daripada sebuah descriptive text, baik teks tulis maupun lisan, terkait memberi dan meminta informasi. Ya, oke, itu yang merupakan tujuan pembelajaran kita pada hari ini, anak-anak kami. Dan perlu juga kami informasikan pada penilaian pada Pak materi ini, I will take your attention, your attitude, your knowledge, and of course also your active, how active you are in this learning, how active you are in your collaboration in your group member. Well, oke, itulah sepintas gambaran masalah apa yang akan kita pelajari, ya, itu apa yang akan menjadi tujuan kita. So, now let's watch the video. Please pay attention.
Kamar mandi ya, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes. Okay, Joko. Okay. Please don't be late to back, because the benefit material is very important to your life. Okay. Okay, no. It is Agnes.
No.
I'm
Agnes.
It is
Forrest.
Agnes, as I know. Okay, come on.
Hi, Peter. Good morning. How have you been?
Hello, Annie. Good morning too. I'm really good. How are you?
Hi guys. Are you here also? How have you been?
Hi, Andy. Yes, we are. How are you?
How are you?
I'm fine. I think because we are here, how if we discuss about this place? I mean, particularly this Borobudur temple.
Yeah, I agree. Let's see. How do you think, Peter, about this place?
I think the Borobudur Temple is one of the most beautiful tourist resorts in Indonesia. So how do you think, Andy?
Yes, Agnes. Don't you remember that we have went there?
Yeah, next.
Yes, Sandy. We are right, and Borobudur was built by Sailendra dynasty during the 8th century. And it more than 2 million river stones. It is the biggest temple in the world. Borobudur is visited by more and more tourists, both domestic and foreign tourists.
Yes, I see.
Lots of friends. Next, Joko.
Yes, I see. We both went there. Most of them admire Borobudur temple because its beauty.
Yes, Elwiman.
All right, sure. And usually they go there by bus or private cars, while foreign tourists like to join travel barrow because they don't need to think of the transportation and itinerary.
Yes, I see too, because there are some money chain around the location. It makes them easier to change their money, but some of them like to bring credit cards and checks.
Well, Agnes, I think we have to plan to go there anymore to Borobudur, okay?
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, thank you. The presentation
that's
is
all
very,
our
very good. Really
Presentation,
excellent.
sir.
I'm so proud of you, really. Please applause to us and especially for this group. Well, thank you. Okay, I think that's all our material today, but you have to know you have the project to do on the next. Yeah, you have a project. You have to found, some about this picture. Let me see. Okay, you have to choose. Yeah, you have to choose which one do you like to make a describer on this place. So I give you time one week. I think is enough for you. Yeah, to take the information. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good.
Sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Well, before we ending our class, I think that's all our material today. But before we ending, I will know, do you have any question about our material?
No, sir.
As far
No,
as
sir.
you know,
No more, sir. No more.
no more. It's clear.
Yes,
Clear,
yes,
sir.
Are you sure?
yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I will be know of that you understand and you understood what we are explain today about our material when you give the result your project to me on the next meeting. Okay?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
Ya, hasilnya cukup memuaskan dan sangat luar biasa ya. Ini bisa kalian lihat hasil dari yang sudah dibuat oleh grup Elwiman ya.
Ya, Pak.
Elwiman, Joko, dan Agnes. Dan ya, termasuk tugas-tugas kawan-kawan yang lain. Ternyata mereka juga sudah mengirimkannya kepada saya dan cukup luar biasa. Ya, kalian melakukannya dengan sangat-sangat antusias dan sangat-sangat hebat. Anak-anak SMK ini memang benar-benar dijuluki SMK hebat. Sesuai dengan yel-yelnya ya. Mantap.
Terima kasih, Pak.
Iya, sudah bisa.
Terima kasih. Terima kasih, Pak.
Baik. Itulah materi dan itulah beberapa penugasan yang sudah kamu dapatkan pada hari ini. Kira kepada anak-anak kami, setelah kalian melakukan kolaborasi, setelah kalian melakukan mendiskusikan berbagai tugas, apa yang sudah kalian peroleh dari materi ini? Siapa yang bisa?
Saya, Pak. Saya
Saya,
coba,
Pak.
Pak.
Ya, silakan.
Siapa, Pak? Si Najara atau saya,
Ya,
Pak?
Coba dulu Warman.
Baik, Pak. Menurut saya, according to me, talking about descriptive, berarti kita mendeskripsikan ataupun menggambarkan tentang sesuatu, baik itu tempat, yang orang, dan benda, yang mana tempat yang dikhususkan untuk deskripsi hari ini, sehingga bisa kita menjelaskan kepada pendengar. Itu menurut saya, Pak.
Iya, bagus. Luar biasa. Berikan dulu tangan untuk
Ya.
teman kamu Warman.
Saya,
Ya,
Pak,
ya silakan, silakan.
setelah saya mengikuti pelajaran dari Bapak, sini saya mendapat kemampuan how to make a good descriptive text. Di sini bukan hanya not only make descriptive text, tetapi kami mendapat juga kemampuan, yaitu di deskripsi yang kami buat itu kami bisa menentukan we can decide functional
Functional text, ya?
generic structure, and
Yeah.
also we can give the sign like identification and so on, sir.
Iya, good.
Thank you.
Thank you, Elwiman. Thank you. Nah, so that means we have discussing about descriptive text today. And it is actually how to describe someone. Di situ ada noun phrase-nya, di situ ada linking verb-nya atau adverbial yang berupa adjektif yang menerangkan objek dimaksud, ya. Baik. Berikutnya menurut anak-anak kami setelah kita bersama-sama berkolaborasi di dalam pembelajaran ini. Menurut kamu apa yang kurang kamu senangi dari cara Bapak mengajar ini?
Ya Pak, yang saya suka Bapak membuat slide-nya dengan bagus sehingga membuat kami jadi tertarik mengikuti pembelajaran Bapak.
Ya, makasih Luiman. Ya, itu sisi positifnya ya. Ada yang lain, mungkin ada sesuatu yang tidak senang sehingga anak-anak kami tidak ada. Baik.
Ya, ada, Pak. Sangat tertarik,
Baik.
Pak. Mudah dipahami, Pak.
Baik, terima kasih anak-anak kami. Terima kasih. Baik.
Iya, Pak.
Saya rasa untuk pertemuan kita hari ini kita cukupkan ya. So the result of the summary our lesson today it is about description text like this ya. Description text is a type of text in English that clearly describe the characteristic inherent in something, be it humans, animals, plants, or animate object. The purpose of this text is to provide clear information about the object described to the reader ya. Don't forget this ya. Ini adalah definisi utamanya. Oke. Materi berikutnya kita akan berbicara tentang describe people. Ini kan describe place. Ini hanya khusus tempat. Berikutnya kita akan mendiskusikan bagaimana mendiskusikan atau menggambarkan seseorang, mengenal dan mengetahui ciri-cirinya. Oke? Baik,
Pak.
ada lagi?
Tidak ada, Pak.
Baik, saya rasa cukup sekian pertemuan kita pada hari ini. So, before we close our lesson today, and a good presentation of your discussion. And well, class, you have done very good today. Most of you are active. I hope to the next time all of you involved in the interaction. Okay, See you
See you
in the
next
next meeting.
See you,
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Keep
you,
spirit ya.
sir.
Always keep
Yes,
spirit.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.